Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about what spermatogenesis. What is the meaning of spermatogenesis? Okay, here the word given genesis. That genesis means what? The create, production. What it produces? Spermatogenesis, production or formation of spermatozoans or sperm cells is called spermatogenesis. Formation of sperm cells or spermatozoans, that is we can call spermatogenesis. Okay, that is the definition of spermatogenesis. Production of sperm cells or formation of sperm cells. Okay, already we learned about the structure of male reproductive system. In that, the important part of the male reproductive system is testes. In testes, the inner membrane tunica albuginea. These tunica albuginea folding inside and forms testicular lobules. We know that is a testicular lobule. Okay, it is not possible to draw 250 to 300. Okay, and testicular lobule. These testicular lobules inside, we are observed what? Especially coil structure. How many coil structure? 1, 2, 3 coil structure. 1, 2, 3. These coil structure we can call seminiferous tubules. What we call? Seminiferous tubules. Okay. Each and every seminiferal tubule. Okay. How many seminiferal tubule? 1, 2, 3. Okay. That means the tunica albuginea inner layer folding in forms testicular lobules chambers. How many? 2 testicular lobules, 250 to 300. Each and every lobule we are observed, it will be made up of coil structures. The coil structure, for example, this is testicular lobule. We are observed the coil structure. How many? 1, 2, 3 coil structures. These are we can call seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules inside, two types of cells is there. We know very well about that one. The two types of cells are, some are germ cells, some are what we call what? Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells. In germ cells, it is inside the germ cell. These germ cells produce what? Spermatogonias. What it will produce? Spermatogonia. Okay, this Sertoli cell provides the nourishment to the spermatogonias. These spermatogonia is the diploidic cell. After further mitotic division and meiotic divisions, after that one spermatogonia forms 4 spermatozoans or 4 spermatozoans or sperm cells. Okay, sperm cells. That means one spermatogonia, only one. It produces after spermatogenesis, after process of mitosis and meiosis, it will be produced what? 4 spermatozoans, each spermatogonia. These spermatogonias are the cells produced by germ cells. In seminiferal tubule, okay, it contains two types of cells, germ cells and Sertoli cells. Germ cells produce what? Spermatogonias. Each spermatogonias after spermatogenesis, it will be produced 4 spermatozoans or sperm cells. This is we can call spermatogenesis. Okay, now we have to discuss about how this process is going on. Formation of spermatogenesis is simple. The first spermatogonias. Spermatogonia. After spermatogonia, it is divided into primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes, that means cells. After primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes. After secondary spermatocytes, spermatids. After spermatids, the last stage we can call spermatogonians. Spermatogonians are sperm cells. Okay, that means one spermatogonia, it will be forms, divided and forms mitotic division. Here what will be happens? The mitotic division is occurs, cells are formed. That cells we can call primary spermatocytes. In that half of the primary spermatocytes, this phase we can call multiplication phase. Multiplication phase. After multiplication phase, half of the cells are going on, stem cells are going on multiplication, but remaining it will be changing into, develops into what? Spermatozoans of remaining of. That remaining of, okay, it is starts from growth phase, starts from increasing the size of the cells. That is we can call growth phase. In after growth phase, the primary spermatocytes, okay, starts from mitotic division of 1, meiotic division 1, meiosis 1. In meiosis 1, 2 cells are formed, and meiosis 2 is occurs. In meiosis 2, spermatids are formed. 4 spermatids are, which are non-movable structures in meiosis 2. After primary spermatocytes, it is a meiosis 1 is occurs. Secondary spermatocytes are formed. In secondary spermatocytes, meiosis 2 is occurs and forms what? Spermatids. The spermatids are non-motile and oval in shape, round in shape. After that one, metamorphic changes. Lot of metamorphic changes. There are converts into what? Tail structures, which all look like tadpole or wasp. That is we can call especially for spermatozoans. Okay, yeah, this is we can call spermatogenesis. Okay, if you observe what the spermatogenesis, how spermatogenesis, that means formation of sperm cells. Okay, first stage already we told what? Germ cells are produced what? Spermatogonias at the time of puberty stage. In male, puberty, production of sperm cells after puberty. That is a major difference of male and female. The formation of follicular cells in female before birth, when the fetus is developing, but in male after means what? After puberty, these spermatogonias are produced. These spermatogonia, one, okay, if you take one spermatogonia, it starts from mitotic division, it forms some cells, 2 cells. These 2 cells again, it will be divided and form 2 4 cells, 4 8 cells, like that. It is division is going on. This phase we can call multiplication phase. Multiplication phase means what? One spermatogonia cells divided in mitotic division, occurs mitotic division and divided into 2 cells. 2 cells again divided into 2, again 2, 4 cells, 8 cells, 16 cells, like that it is dividing. That division we can call multiplication phase. In that first, after spermatogonia, after production of spermatogonias, in mitotic division is occurs. In mitotic division, one cell, it is equally divided into 2 cells. We know very well about what is mitosis. One cell equally divided into 2 cells. These 2 cells, whatever spermatogonias, are diploidic cells. In mitotic daughter cells also diploidic cells. In that, in production of these primary, what we call, these are primary spermatocytes. These are what we call primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes, after multiplication, half of these cells are going on development. That means what? Again, if there are multiplication is occurs, Again, they are producing what? Again, they are producing primary spermatocytes. These stem cells are again multiplication is occurs. And half of the cells, what? Primary spermatocytes, they are developing into spermatozoans. How they are developing into spermatozoans? Here the first phase is multiplication phase. Simple. In multiplication phase what happened? Spermatogonia, it is divided into two cells, again two cells. Like that it is division is mitotic division is occurs. It will be forms more cells. In that more cells, half of these cells are going on multiplication. Again it will be forms primary spermatocytes. In some of these cells, the primary spermatocyte, it will be develops and forms spermatozoans. How they develops and forms of the cells and primary spermatocytes develops into spermatozoans. Here in second stage, second phase, first multiplication phase, second phase is growth phase. In growth phase, what will be happen? Only these cells, primary spermatocyte is increasing. So that I write here, size increased. But number of chromosomes are in same only, diploidic in stage, but size is increased. Okay, so that little bit lower, increase the size of the cell. Second phase you can call growth phase. In growth phase what happen? Whatever primary spermatocyte size is increased. Then this primary spermatocytes, it is diploidic in state, it is going on the first state, first meiotic division is occurs. In first meiotic division, it is divided into two cells. And these primary spermatocytes are diploidic. After first meiotic division, these are haploid. Divided into two cells, these are haploid, single. Haploidic in cells. These cells we can call secondary spermatocytes. These are what we call secondary spermatocytes. After multiplication, whatever cells are formed, that is we can call primary spermatocytes. After first mitotic division, whatever cells are formed, we can call secondary spermatocytes. These secondary spermatocytes, again in second stage of mitotic division is meiotic division is occurs, again they will form four cells. Four haploidic cells. Four haploidic cells. These four haploidic cells we can call spermatids. What we call spermatids, very very important. Spermatids are oval shape or round shape in structure, non-metallic structure. They are non-movable. They are not moving. Round in structure, which are formed after second mitotic division from secondary spermatocytes. That is, we can call spermatids. These spermatids are non-metallic and oval round in shape, and these are a metamorphic changes is occurs in these cells. Whatever spermatids are round shape, they are changing into like what, just like a, which are tail structures like what, like spermatozoans. That means lot of metamorphic changes is occurs, just like a tadpole larva. Don't say tadpole larva, but that means lot of metamorphic changes is occurs. Spermatids are changed into tail structures. Tailed structures. These are we can call sperm cells or spermatozoans. How many spermatozoans are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spermatozoans or sperm cells are formed with what? One spermatogonia divided and form 4 spermatozoans or sperm cells. Here in metamorphic changes, lot of changes occurs. These are spermatids are round in structure. It is changing into what tail structures. We know very well in sperm cell, it is having head, neck, tail, acrosome. Okay, especially for body, acrosome. Okay, head, neck, body, tail. There are the four parts is there in spermatozoans. Okay, this process we can call spermatogenesis. That means formation of sperm cells. Okay, it's spermatogonia. That means these testes or spermatogonias are modified or develops into spermatozoans by stimulating some hormones or stimulating for production of spermatozoans. What that hormone? That hormones are stimulate follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, gonadotropic hormones. These hormones are released by pituitary gland to stimulate spermatozoans. Production of to stimulate the production of spermatozoans. And already we learned the four cells are formed. In that four cells, in head region, acrosomes is there. Which are what? Acrosome. Okay, so that I have to draw here acrosome in head region. These acrosomes are useful to penetrate or attach to what? Ovum. These acrosome with what? Some enzymes. It contains some enzymes, hyaluronidase. That enzyme is useful for, that is a digestive enzymes is there in that. That is useful for breaking down of what? Zona pellucida or membrane of what? Ovum. Okay, and also what? In that whatever spermatozoans in that nucleus is haploidic nucleus. Haploid means what? 2n. Sorry, n. N means what? In that number of chromosomes are 23 chromosomes. Okay. Spermiogenesis means, what is spermiogenesis? After formation of spermatids are non-motile round structures. That is spermatids. This conversion of spermatids into tail structures. That is called sperms, spermatozoans. Conversion of spermatids into tail structure sperms is called, that is a conversion of spermatids into tail structures, that is we can call tail structure sperms, we can call spermiogenesis. What we call? Spermiogenesis. And releasing these structures, what these structures? Tail structures, tail sperms. Spermatid is different, oval shaped, non-motile, that is converted into tail structures, that is we can call spermiogenesis. After these tail structure, releasing of tail structures is called spermiation. Spermiation. Releasing from seminiferous tubules. What is that one? Sperm cells. That is we can call spermiation. Spermiation. Okay. That is a major difference. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If you observe here, conversion of spermiogenesis means the process of conversion of what? Conversion of spermatids into spermatids which are oval shaped non-motile spermatids into spermatozoans. Spermatozoans or sperm cells. Or sperm cells called spermiogenesis. That is spermiogenesis. Spermiation means what? Releasing. What? Releasing of sperm cells or spermatozoans, sperm cells or spermatozoans from seminiferous tubules. That is we can call spermiation. That is the difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation. Okay. Thank you.